matter of fact, I just met the guy the other day. He's a waiter. I put some coffee.
God, that's how my parents met. My mother waited on my father. She ordered 2 steak sandwich and a ginger ale.
No, look. I want to make it clear.
No, worry. Your secret safe with me. He stayed with me. Just thank God for small blessings, right? What am I here? I don't care what the doctor says. I don't have to.
Rickety! Rickety!
Now forget about it. What do you got?
Hey, Honey Bunch! Hey, Honey Bunch! Oh! Rickety! Sugar plum! Oh!